Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Mailchimp AI for campaign segmentation automation step by step clearly. To verify Mailchimp AI for campaign segmentation automation, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the dashboard and select Audience from the main menu. Click on Segments to start creating your campaign segments. Next, choose Create Segment to launch the segmentation options. Select the criteria that aligns with your campaign goals. You can filter segments based on specific audience behaviors, demographics, or engagement levels. After setting your criteria, Mailchimp will generate a preview of the segment. Review the list to ensure it meets your targeting requirements. Once satisfied, save the segment by providing an appropriate name. Next, head to the Campaigns section in the main menu. Click on Create Campaign to start your new email campaign. When setting up the campaign, link it to your newly created segment. Move to the Recipients tab and select the segment you saved earlier. This ensures that your email will only go to the intended audience. As you proceed with the campaign setup, integrate Mailchimp's AI features for optimized content. Use the AI recommendations to enhance subject lines and email copy. After finalizing your email design, review all settings for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click Schedule or Send to launch your campaign. Monitor the campaign performance metrics after it is sent. Analyze the results to gauge the effectiveness of your segmentation strategy. This will allow you to make necessary adjustments for future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.